Right, so hopefully this is going good. This is the Asphalt Thief. My hands are well dirty. I'm going to show you how to make a terrarium. So the first thing we need to do is, let me do this. How to make a terrarium. Yeah, okay. This is the title of the video, how to make a terrarium. So the first thing we're going to need to do is draw a line up here, straight line. So let me do that. Right, we've got our line here, and then I like to make a circle about this big, yeah, which is about 4 centimeters, I do believe. Let's get it the right road. Well, that's 6 centimeters. Yeah, 6 centimeter hole. So let me just show you. I'm going to draw 5 circles now. Okay, maybe me. I forgot to put my headphones in, didn't I? So anyway, here we go. Let's just see. Up there, yeah. So now we've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This will be 4. And this is number 5. Okay, so the next step, I've got 5 now. 2, 3, 5. I need to build these out. So I've got 1 here, 1 here, 1 there, 1 there. I'm going to do that now, yeah? And be very, very, very careful with them. Make sure you're close to your lines. Right, I just want to let you know that this angle here is 30 degrees. So this here is 30 degrees. But I think the best way of doing it is from the edge of your circle here, through the middle circle, to the edge of your circle here, yeah? And then that will give you the 30 degrees. Right, let me just complete this and you'll see. It's just circles now, same circle size.